Hi, Coffee Beans! How's it brewing? I'm here with a really exciting craft, but for the first time in like 2 months, I think, I have my husband with me! Ta-da! So today we are going to be making Eraserooz.
Eraserooz.
Magicorns. So these are just clay eraser unicorns. And they come with like a little mold. So you can kind of see on the back. It's clay, which I've used eraser clay before. You've never used it.
No.
So yeah, I think it's gonna be kind of hard to mold. So we might have to sit on it and put it in nature's glove compartment.
Oh, delicious.
So it comes with the clay, and then you don't actually sculpt these yourself. You push them into a mold.
It's like segmented molds, like you're building a little toy.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That is cool. Oh, you can make 5 different kinds.
Hey.
And it's from our favorite company, Orb. I think you could, obviously you don't have to do these. You can make your own eraser if you wanted to. Another thing I got are some pencils and a plethora of paints and some super cute, like the cutest, most adorable washi tape ever to decorate these pencils. And then maybe these can fit on top of the eraser? I don't know if it'll actually fit.
I think so. I think I saw something.
Oh, really?
It looks like on the mold back here, it actually has a spot where the eraser can go.
Sweet. What's that?
Okay, before you get started, this is always important.
Read it in French.
Vaporizer, check fois le mois de... Avant!
Avant! Well, you did foie better than I would have said foys.
Spray water in the mold every time before you press in the compound for easy release. If compound is hard or crumbling, knead small pieces with your hands until soft. Before closing the mold, wipe all water from the compound, otherwise the two halves will not stick. Assemble all the parts before baking. So we do have to bake it.
How long does it say to bake?
Store leftover compound. This is all before you get started.
Oh.
We haven't even begun.
They don't give you a lot of clay. This is itsy bitsy. Okay, yeah, this is so hard. Do you know what design you want to do? Maybe this is a better...
I don't know.
picture.
Honestly, I don't really feel like I want to do a unicorn. Like,
oh, you're gonna free mold?
No, I think I'm gonna do like a pegasus or not. And what is that? An alicorn?
An alicorn's all of them.
An alicorn
is
is
a horn and wings.
And wings. I think I just want to do a pegasus.
Okay, yeah, because this one, yeah, they don't have horns. You just add the horn after.
You're right, and I can't really see how that's gonna stick.
I have toothpicks.
I don't know. I just think I'm feeling the...
Oh, see how that goes?
Yeah. And I'm learning this now. I thought this was a little plug.
Yeah, for the...
That makes the eraser for the butt. But I'm looking at it now and it's not. It's like something to
It's just
help.
so they fit together.
Yeah,
That's
so they
bizarre.
fit together. So this is going to be a free eraser. This is not attached to the pencil kind of thing. But immediately when I saw this, one of them looks identical to Pegasus from the Hercules movie when he was little.
Yeah.
Which is
so cute.
But that's the problem is it's going to use a lot of white.
Oh, that's okay.
So I would do the white with the blue mane.
Do it. I'm going to sit on the colors while you do that. Nature's glove compartment, it's under your butt.
Under your butt.
That's where nature's glove compartment is.
In your butt.
Under your butt.
Oh.
Is it soft though? Like...
Oh, hell no.
No.
That's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to heat it up. Oh, wait. I got to do both sides.
Uh-huh.
So you got to do this
Remember,
side
you
and
spray
that
it
side.
first.
Well, I mean... Oh,
yeah, you're supposed to spray it and then wipe away the excess. We have paper towels. Oh my gosh, this clay is really hard. It is really hard for me to do.
Yeah, let me get these details.
You do you. I'm getting your white going. You're welcome. Marriage, partnership.
I mean, it's I. I didn't spray it.
Oh no! Spray it.
Oh. Cool.
Yes.
These are very hard to do because once you spray it, it almost becomes like if you are cooking something and you spray like oil on the like in a sheet, like a baking sheet.
Like
that's
it doesn't stick.
It is completely slick. This water to this material just makes it completely slick. Wow, I gotta do this I gotta do a second one of this.
And he has an all-white body, huh?
All white body with a tiny little blue tail. Let me just chuck that in right now, actually.
Yeah, that's how I'm thinking.
I mean, oh wow, look at that. I think I'm doing a good.
Now, I'm pretty sure, and I think all of us can guess this, that this is not going to erase crap.
I mean, maybe.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, I don't think this is going to be a good eraser at all. I think this is like purely for decoration and to be cute. I feel like you're making this more difficult on yourself.
Oh, 100%. But I mean, no, because this is the thing is, when I was working with this, realizing how much just spraying the water makes it slick,
slippery.
I'm just thinking of my future self, like doing this
and
having to like,
flies everywhere.
100, yeah, that's it, just everything.
Well, remember it says you have to wipe off the excess water when you push it together.
The surfaces.
Yeah.
Watch, you'll see.
I got you.
You will
I understand.
See. You will learn.
15 years, I know what you're talking about.
You will learn.
Will I?
I don't know.
Do I ever?
Oh yeah. No, this is gonna be fire. You just wait. This is gonna be dope. Thankfully, the body's easy. This is gonna be so weird.
Oh my goodness!
You see what's happening? You see what's happening?
This is not gonna.
It is. It's gonna be perfect. You're gonna pop it out, and immediately it's gonna look so much like the Pegasus.
Exactly like the picture.
That the second it pops open, we're gonna get a cease and desist letter from Disney. The second we do that, we're gonna hear, and then they're gonna be like,
they're gonna step on the unicorn.
And they're gonna step on it, and then Mickey's gonna be there.
Whoa!
All right, I mean,
are you ready? But the wings, you gotta do the wings.
Honestly, I feel like the way I'm doing this is just making so much more waste. But I have a method.
I'm gonna attempt to do it like verbatim, how the instructions say to do it, and see what results.
Am I not doing that?
Well, you're supposed to do half, and then push it together.
All right, I think I'm ready.
Oh, terror!
Okay, get ready. We're gonna get.
I'm not ready.
The Mouseketeers are gonna be knocking at the door because it's gonna look so real.
It's gonna look just like Pegasus from the movie.
Yeah, I'm scared. Ready?
Yeah.
That eye.
He looks like he's seen something.
He has all of the feats of Hercules. Look.
Oh. Oh, well,
yes,
okay.
Yes,
okay.
yes. Oh, man, okay.
So the little details are just pinching right off. All that, extra clay is just pinching right off. I thought you were going to have to slice it off.
Absolutely not. Yeah. All right, now, this is the one. This is the head. That looks cute.
Oh, that one's cute. One eye is a little... If these erasers are purely for decoration, then what I would say is, bake them separately and then fit them together with glue. See, so I think this craft could be very quick. But because the clay is so hard to soften up, it's taking a lot longer.
I could see...
what is this? It's for 8 and up? It's 8 and up and grown up to make the clay soft.
Yeah, I could see parents getting this for their kids and then realizing that they got to do this and warm up the clay because this is going to hurt your kids' hands.
Oh, it's hurting my hands. I'm a delicate lady.
The hands of what a babe. Come on. I made a little hole with a toothpick, and now I am concentrating very intently. And now I attach the head to the body. Now there isn't a hole for the head.
Yeah, it's weird.
The mold, there's no little peg.
Or there's a peg for the head, but the body doesn't have a hole.
Right.
Oh, but The sitting body doesn't have a hole, but the standing body does.
I think that... Oh, that is.
Yeah.
That's for the head. I don't know. I guess that maybe they didn't want you to do the sitting one. But...
They frown on the sitting one.
Yeah, well, now, we'll see. We'll see how this goes.
He's cute! Da-da-da-da! Cute! So, I am going to attempt is the key word, because my hands are tired from massaging the purple one, the purple clay. I'm gonna do a standing alicorn with purple and pink. I am gonna kind of just use this, I'm gonna use it well, and I'm gonna use it intelligently. I'm not trying to mess it up, but I am gonna kind of use it more quick and less perfectionist, I guess. Kind of like how I imagine 8-year-old Bunny would have done it, since this is meant for 8-year-olds. So now I just need to do for the horn.
Check this.
Never mind. Show them what you did. That's so cool. Well, I'm not going to make a horn then, because that's amazing.
Do you want to do the horn?
No, I like that horn.
And I was going to put it in here.
No, it's too big.
Yeah, but it's my method of molding.
Oh, then yeah.
They're like oversized.
Yes, I like it.
And then you get both sides.
Do it. Alright, ready? Husband strength. The horn looks so cool! Hey.
The head didn't attach.
Because I didn't spray it. It's the one I forgot to spray. I'm gonna make just a really basic eraser. I just want to get aggressive with an eraser to see if it actually erases. Okay, so our erasers are done in the oven and they are cooling now. So, because we have some extra time while they cool, we are going to paint ourselves some just, basic number 2 pencils. I have a ton of paints for us. I know you have a plan. I have 0 plan. I have no idea what I want to do. That's cute. Random, but cute. And it just figures that he makes a freaking pepperoni pizza. Mine's like an ugly freaking polka dot that refuses to dry. And his is pepperoni pizza. I don't know what I expected. Well, the time has come then to see our erasers and test if they actually work. So we have a tester pencil. Go ahead and write something. I don't know what I expected.
I don't know what...
New logo.
I don't know what that is. And then let's just give it something really...
I was going to say, do really hard and really light. Nice. Okay, here is husband's...
I'm afraid. I don't want him to die. I don't want him to die.
You do it. I won't do it. But this is the baked pegasus.
I'm going to do his foot first.
You do wherever you feel like doing it.
Oh, head immediately came off.
Oh no!
No! But hey,
We'll glue it back on.
I mean, it kind of worked. I mean, it's
But how
kind of
dirty? Because it's white. So how dirty is his butt now?
No, actually, not
Oh,
really,
it's
but
not.
a lot.
Well, that's not doing anything. Yeah.
You want to try yours, or do you want to?
Yeah, of course.
You want to use
I'll
your
try
hard
the butt.
cut? Ooh, the butt.
I'm gonna try the hard.
R.I.P. those wings and a delicate little angel.
Oh well. Before I do, so here you go. The terrifying side. Fireworks. Apparently.
A month later.
All right. Remember, this one had the toothpick in it, so at least the horn's on.
All right. Oh, wow. Okay, it's for whatever reason it seems like it does better on the hard one. No, not really.
Yes.
Nah, the Dixon Ticonderoga. That's the one.
Oh well. Let me go get one of those because we have one.
Oh, that's kind of fun. Oh. Oh yeah, this has got the black eraser.
It means business.
This is turned into just an eraser.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's whatever. It's okay.
None of our erasers are good. Did you try to put this on the eraser?
No. Okay. Okay.
Hey!
That's on there. We'll do some more cease and desist.
Oh lord.
Oh wow.
That's well,
You know what? It's not.
It's not a cease and desist.
It's not. I'm not making it. I mean, it's not. I mean, you really gotta really do some serious work to.
From where I'm sitting, nothing is happening. Yeah.
You have to. Oh,
Not
wow.
great. Wait, what happened to my?
Oh, I don't know. What happened.
Am I gonna look back in the footage and discover when this cracked? I'm going backwards and
I
finding it.
don't know what you're talking about.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Alright.
R.I.P. erasers.
I mean, we went into this knowing the erasers weren't gonna work that well. I mean, really, we knew those were not gonna work. They're really just meant for decoration because, cute erasers, especially in Japan. This is not a Japanese kit, of course. But cute erasers are like a huge thing in Japan. I've never actually tried an actual cute eraser, like from Daiso. I don't know if they're actually good or if they're just for looks. I mean, this is purely just for looks. But all that being said, we got a really cute mold out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you could totally use this for like Play-Doh, polymer clay, air dry clay. I don't see why not. I hope you guys liked this video. It was really nice to have my husband on again with me because he is his magical hands. It's like his hand dance. He's always really fun for me to craft with. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this kit or something similar and actually got it to work. Or if you have any experience with cute kind of stylized erasers from another country like Japan that actually work, or are they just for looks? Because I'm curious now. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe by clicking the little bell so you don't miss any future videos. I post every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, everybody, thanks so much. Love you a latte.